How to get rich. Hello everyone. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. When you study hard, you will be developing a good work ethic. This is a good thing because it will not only help you out in the short term, but it will also help you out later in life as well. And also, when you study hard, you will be more likely to pass your exams, and this means that you will not be wasting the money that you have spent, and you will not be wasting your time either. People with a good work ethic will take their studying and their jobs very seriously, and they will make sure that they achieve what they want to achieve. When you have goals in your life, you know your ambition and you know what you will have to do for your future and for your present. So make sure you have set a strong goal and foundations for it. Setting goals can help us to have a clear image of our plan. So there is a powerful quote. Every successful person begins with two beliefs. The future can be better than the present, and I have the power to make it so. Set your goals and make them happen. Number 1. Decide. Think of something you want to do or work towards. Number 2. Write it down carefully. Number 3. Telling someone we know about our goals also seems to increase the likelihood that we will stick at them. Number 4. Break your goal down. This is especially important for big goals. Number 5. Plan your first step. Number 6. Keep going. Number 7. And celebrate. If you really want to be successful, you need to work hard. Okay guys, that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video and make sure you subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.